everybody, and welcome to this week's new release video. I've got two new collections for you guys this week. I know this video is going up a little bit late. It is currently 10 a.m. Friday morning, but there was a few things I was still messing with on these kits. I needed to finalize some stuff, so instead of rushing through it last night, I wanted to go ahead and just take the time this morning to finish these up so that they were exactly how I wanted them. And they should still be up at noon Eastern Standard Time. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues getting them up in time. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get in. The first kit that I've got for you guys is called Cozy, and I really love how this turned out. So this one has rose gold foiling. So here are the glitter headers. These will be available with or without foil, glossy or premium matte. And then here are your full boxes. I do not have very good lighting right now. Ooh, there we go. That's actually... So you've got a quote box up top that says, "Let's get cozy." Really cute font. I love how this ended up turning out. You've got coffee with some like pastries and stuff. This really cute bra. This is kind of just like a relax kit. It's actually very similar to the relax collection that we've done in the past. It's totally different artwork. It just reminds me of it. So throughout this kit, we've got this bow foiling. I don't know if you guys can... There we go. So it's kind of like confetti, but then it's got the bows in there as well. Down here, we've got this really cute pajama set, and then just the confetti side foiling. We've got the girl with her coffee, the confetti foiling down both sides there. This really cute, what is that, a terrarium with the succulents in it, and then same thing with the bow. These cute slides. I'm sorry, I'm filming this in the office, so my computer may keep doing that. We've got the bow pattern here, or the bow confetti pattern, I guess I should say, the pillows, as well as that confetti pattern down the sides, and then this really cute mug that also has that bow pattern. So I want to show you guys with the bottom washi, which again has that confetti bow pattern. I wanted to keep the foiling in this a little bit more simple just because these boxes do have a lot going on. So you've got the pattern here, and then same thing, you've got the bow drops in the smaller washi and then the bow confetti pattern in the larger washi. So there is also, this is my knee. I just realized you could see that. I'm sitting on the floor in the office. Mike is in the kitchen currently foiling. So yeah, there are the two sheets together. There's my other knee. Sorry, guys. You got your foiled date covers here with your watercolor behind that. You've got a foiled box here, another one over here, and then I'm having focusing issues. A flag right here that has the bow as well, and then here is your weekly tracker. So yeah, that's your bottom washi sheet. This is the deluxe version. I don't know if I said that or not. So let's look at the other sheets really quickly. You've got your date numbers, you've got your 3-bow checklist, your icons, your scripts, your movie marquee. Next is your box sheet. This is in every single kit. So you've got your 3 flags, you've got your appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, eighth boxes. And then your next sheet here has got your little things, your cut washi, and then your glitter headers down at the bottom. Your next sheet has got your ombre bow checklist. You've got your flags up top. Those do have that glitter detailing in them. And then you've got your daily trackers over to the side. You've got 1 3-bow checklist and then 2 of the 2-bow checklist. And then that puts us back to this last sheet here. So yeah, that is the Cozy collection. I really, really love how this turned out. This was one that took me a minute though to kind of get it to where I wanted it. Like I said, that's the deluxe version. So now I will go ahead and show you guys the mini version. So full boxes are exactly the same. Your next sheet has got your flags, your date numbers, your scripts, your icons, your movie marquee, 1 of the 2-bow checklist, 2 of the 3-bow checklist, and then your bow scallops down at the bottom. Your next sheet is the exact same as it was in the deluxe with your flags, your labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, and eighth boxes. Next sheet has got your little things, your cut washi, you've got your scalloped bow headers, and then a row of the various headers over to the right. And then your last sheet has got that same bottom washi as well as the same date covers. You do get 1 of the foiled bow boxes, 2 of your daily trackers, and then 1 weekly tracker. And then the last thing that I've got for this collection is the B6 kit. I once again did not do Hobo Weeks kits for this week. So like I said last week, we're gonna have a big Hobo release here soon. So all of them will be coming. It's just, I'm gonna wait a little bit before I release them. Anyway, so here's your B6 kit. The box that we lost is this one right here that has the coffee. That one did not have foiling. Everything else is the same. So you've got your quote box, 3 of the glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom, and then your cut washi right here. Your next sheet has got some labels, some flags, a row of the scalloped headers. You've got your little things, 2 of the 3 bow checklist, 1 of the 2 bow checklist. You've got your daily tracker, weekly tracker, cut washi, and then some 3 bow checklist over here to your right. This sheet is exactly the same as the other kits, so your flags, your appointment labels, half boxes, quarter boxes, and eighth boxes. And then here is your last sheet, which is your other foiled sheet. So you've got your foiled date covers, and then the same washi. I was able to keep that the same. And then you've got all of your icons up top. So all of that was the Cozy collection. And then complete 180 from that collection is the Cactus collection. So this one is really beautiful and just pastel, dainty, and then this one is pretty bright. So we've got your glitter headers here, same thing with or without foil, and then here are your full boxes. So I really love how this turned out. I've got about the worst lighting, I feel like, right now, but up here you've got this really pretty like succulent floral. Is that, yeah, I guess. You've got some cactuses throughout, which obviously that's what the kit was named after. This really cute chair here, and then I did a lot of the same foiling that I've been doing, like in Bloom, or what was the last kit before that that I did with this kind of foiling? I'm not sure, but I've been really loving how it looks lately to have a couple of, or like one big foil piece. There's some other larger foiling on the bottom washi, but then to do just this like more minimal with the lines, there's a little bit of that that bow confetti pattern up top, some of this confetti pattern down here. I've just been really loving how that looks lately. So like I said, you've got the 2 cactus boxes, these really pretty lanterns, another floral down here, you've got this skull, and then your bottom down here is actually 2 boxes, but they go together to make a scene, and I thought that was super cute. Let me show you guys the bottom washi with this. So it is larger foiling down here, but they are still really like dainty. So they're the same thing. They are just succulents. So you've got that little bunch right there. And then over here, yeah, super pretty. So that is your 2 foiled sheets for the deluxe collection, and then you've got your date covers, your daily or your weekly tracker, and then some of the boxes up top, but that is what they look like together. I really love this kit because the colors are different. We don't ever really do like this burnt orange color. I think it's just really pretty. So the rest of the sheets for the deluxe collection I'm missing. Here they are. So you've got your functional sheet here that's got your 3 bow checklist, your date numbers, your icons, your scripts. Next sheet has your appointment labels, quarter boxes, eighth boxes, half boxes, and then you've got your little things, your cut washi, your glitter headers at the bottom, and then you've got your bow checklist, your flags, and your daily trackers. So all of that is the deluxe collection. And then I have got mini here. So your first sheet is exactly the same. You've got the exact same full boxes. Your next sheet has got your checklist, you've got your icons, your bow checklist over to the side, flags, date numbers, and then you've got the same sheet that is in all of the kits, half boxes, eighth boxes, quarter boxes, little things, cut washi, you've got your scalloped headers, and then you've got your various headers, and then your last sheet here has got the same date covers, same bottom washi, you've got 1 of those foiled bow boxes, 2 daily trackers, and a weekly tracker. And then we do also have the B6 version available. So down here, we didn't really lose anything, but instead of the scene box being a double box or being 2 boxes, I just cut it down to 1, and then this is your cut washi. But everything else is the same. You've got the same foiling. You've got your 3 quarter boxes down at the bottom, same sheet, half boxes, quarter boxes, eighth boxes, labels. You've got some more boxes on this sheet. You have got your scalloped bow headers, little things, some bow checklist, weekly tracker, daily tracker, 3 bow checklist over to the side, and then some more cut washi. And then your last sheet, I was able to keep this the same as well. It's just much smaller. So you've got your same bottom washi, you've got your date covers, and then you've got all of your icons. So yeah, that is this week's releases. I hope you guys love them. I'm sorry this video was late, but I wanted everything to be perfect. They should be up at noon Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.